Hello friends, Supratic Trust presents the Pyar Ke Panchi or Lovebird series, and I'm here your friend Bikash with the 61st episode of the story. After visiting Tokyo Disneyland, Yokohama Sea Paradise, Nisha and Pratik are now going to climb Mount Fuji. Let's join them in this exciting adventure. Both of them were very excited to see this long-awaited dream of climbing Fuji mountain come true. Nisha is feeling giddy to think that she is about to set foot on this mountain that she read in geography books as a child. It is one of the most beautiful active volcanoes in the world. So both of them are filled with thrill and excitement. They have planned a 2-day Mount Fuji tour in advance. Today, the two started their journey from Tokyo's Shinjuku by cab at 6 a.m. Friends, first let us know little about the history of Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is a volcanic mountain with a conical peak that is covered with snow for about 5 months of the year and is featured in various Japanese art and literature. East, west, north or south, it is a beautiful sight to behold from any direction, and the Japanese consider it a sacred mountain. Mount Fuji is located about 150 kilometers southwest of Tokyo between Shizuoka and Yamanashi prefectures. Its height is about 12,500 feet. The last eruption took place here in 1707. There are 4 trails to climb: Mount Fuji, Yoshida, Fujinomiya, Shubasiri, and Gotemba, of which the Yoshida Trail is the most popular and well-equipped for hiker. People generally come to the 5th station by car and start climbing the mountain. The Fujinomiya Trail is the shortest route that climbs from the south. Only this route offers both sunrise and sunset views. So it is the second favorite route for tourists after Yoshida. Shubasiri and Gotemba are boarded from the east. The services of these two routes are not so good. Nisha and Pratik arrived at Kitaguchi Hongu Fuji Sengen shrine around 8 a.m. on the route to the 5th station of Fuji mountain. This temple is a famous temple that was established in 100 AD. It is a huge temple inside a dense forest. In the olden days, people used to go down here and start climbing Mount Fuji. Nowadays, everyone boards from the 5th station. The climb has become half as the cars can reach till this 5th station. The road from temple to the 5th station is also a beautiful walk through the jungle if time permits. The tall cedar trees on the entrance road and the moss-covered stone lantern under it is very beautiful. They entered the temple road and saw a big barrel of Japanese alcohol sake. Then they saw very big trees believed to be 1,000 years old with thick ropes around them. There is a large one-story temple like Asakusa. Finally, they saw the beautiful Torii Gate, which is usually there at entrance of most Japanese temples. After spending about 2 hours, they started driving towards 5th station around 10:30 a.m. After that, the rest of the way is gradually uphill. They came to the 5th station at an altitude of 2,300 meters, seeing the mesmerizing scenery. Friends, today's story ends here. In the next episode, I'll tell you the story of Nisha and Fuji mountain climbing. Don't forget to watch,